Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create kids video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the video looks like. And to generate this video, I recommend you to use Pixverse AI. So first of all, you can visit app.pixverse.com. app.pixverse.ai. And then you're going to add the prompt and the AI will generate a video for you guys. Okay, and for the prompt, usually I use ChatGPT, and these are the prompt I have created with ChatGPT. And for example, I'm going to create a story about a magical forest for kids, and I have already asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for each scene, and then you can generate the video scene by scene. Okay, this is the video I have generated. And this is the prompt I use, and I'm going to generate the second scene. Okay, I'm going to choose image or text menu here. Wait, I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, and then you just need to paste the prompt and make sure that you have already signed into this website guys to get free credits, daily credits. And then you can also upload a picture as a reference, and you can choose the duration and then change the ratio. And once you're ready to generate it, you can click on create, and it needs 20 credits. Okay, and I'm going to show you the videos I have generated using this AI. If you don't want to subscribe to Pixverse, you can generate it day by day. Okay, and that's so cool. And let's see. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon, and after that you can use some video editors such as CapCut or Filmora to compile all the videos you have generated using AI. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.